Hi all, welcome back in my coding bundle channel. Today we will discuss about polymorphism in Python. So polymorphism is a key concept in object-oriented programming. So it enables like functions or objects to take different forms and act differently on the basis of context. Okay. So let's understand with this analogy. Suppose a person. Okay. It can be a teacher. It can be a coach. It can be parents on different timings and the different positions and different locations. Okay. So suppose in the college it can be a teacher. Okay, it can teach us a different type of subjects, and the same person in the evening can be a coach and it like train. It's like some uh, cricket team or a football team. Okay, and in the like in home it acts as the parents. So different same persons acts differently. So this concept is like a polymorphism. Okay. So there are two types of polymorphism. One is like static polymorphism, and second is dynamic polymorphism. So static polymorphism is also called compile-time polymorphism, and dynamic polymorphism is also called the runtime polymorphism. So we will discuss about both, and so let us discuss compile-time polymorphism. So compile-time polymorphism is achieved through a method overloading. So what does it mean? So its mean is like there can be a number of methods with the same name, but the different arguments with different number of parameters. But the thing is, method overloading isn't supported in like traditional sense in Python. So here you can see in this class we have calculator class, and we have like two functions with the same name, different arguments. But this is not supported in Python. But it is supported in like Java and C++. So if I'm running this function, if I'm running this code, so what I will get that error like calculate that dot add, like I'm getting the error type error. A type error you got it say like calculator dot add missing one required positional argument. So how we can achieve this? So what we can say, we can do like this. Let initialize the variable equal to 0. So in first time whenever this call, C will be 0, and the next time C will be 4. So let's run now this call will run. Let's check this. So here now it is running, right? So this is initializing the class, calculator class, and then we we are calling the add function and passing two methods like 2 and 3. Here C is equal to 0. So A plus B plus C will be like 5. Okay, 2 plus A because C is 0. In the second call, it is like 2, 3, and 4. So C value will be 4. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9. Okay. So in this way you can achieve the overloading. It is not supported in conventional way, unlike it is supported in another language like C and C++ or Java. And so this is called the compile time or static polymorphism. Second is runtime polymorphism. So this runtime polymorphism is achieved using method overriding. So in Ego viewers, you can check it is overloading, and here it is overriding. So do not confuse with the overloading and with the overriding. Okay. Also, overriding means you are overwriting the code of a particular functions. Okay, like same name function, uh, or in the parent class, it has differently implemented. The track class it can be differently implemented. So this is the overwriting. Okay, so this means this means that Drat class can have a specific implementation of a method that is already defined in the parent class. So, like in parent particular, suppose one function here we can see in the code. Let's introduction function. Okay. So in parent class it has a different implementation, but in our code it has a different implementation. This is the runtime polymorphism. Let's check with the code. Okay. So this is like suppose person class, okay, and it has an introduction function. So okay, so this is a parent class. So it will be remembered by driver class. So now we have a like a student, okay, that same person can act different. Uh, so it can be a, like a student, it can be a teacher, it can be a manager. Okay. So we have a three classes, students. Okay. Then there is teacher and there is a manager class. So in manager you will say hi, hello, I am a manager, and teacher, hello, I am a teacher. Okay. So as you are checking, we are in all the classes we are inheriting person class. Okay, so person class is a parent class. So but we are overriding the introduce function. We are introduce function here is implemented. It is printing a message that should be implemented by trap class. But in a student function, we overriding it and saying hello, I am a student. Similar teacher, I'm implementing it and saying hello, I am a teacher. Okay? Similar to manager. And then so we have a one function, person introductions. Okay, and here we are passing class instance. Okay, and we are then printing its within we are calling introduce function. Okay, so here as you can see we are initializing three objects: students, uh, and then teacher, then manager. Okay, so we are initializing the instance of the classes of all three classes. Then we are calling person, that we are calling then one method. Okay, person introduction, it is outside of the class, as you can see. Okay, because it is not inside this inside a column. Okay, so now we are calling these functions. So in a student it will be overriding this one. Okay, now let's run this first let's run this code. So here we are running. So the output is like, hi, I am a student. So how it is happening? First it is like this separate class. Okay, then these are the like derived classes, and each class is overriding the introduction function. So when we are calling this introduction function here, and we are passing student object. Okay, then we are calling introduction function. So it is overriding into parent introduction function with its current implementation. So it is saying hi, I'm a student. Similar it is doing the other classes. So it is decided on the during the runtime, okay, which function will run. Okay, so this is called the compile time or a runtime. It is called runtime polymorphism. Okay, now let's discuss the key benefits. So key benefits are like flexibility, scalability, and readability. So yeah, that's it. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe with the friends.